Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you what this list is. On Twitter, there is a feature called list, and most people don't know what it is and how to use it. So, simply put, list is a feature where you can save tweets and threads that are similar and that fit in the same category. So I have a few lists. One is AI, self-improvement, useful threads, war, YouTube. So these are my list. I created this one for myself, and 19 other people have joined this list, and they can see this post when they open this list. You can create list on your own, or you can join list that other people created. You don't need to need permission from anyone to join the list. For example, here are a bunch of lists. So for example, law of self-control, there are 350 people on this list. If I just click here, I'll join the list, and when I go into it, I'll only see posts that are related to self-control. So you don't need to add tweets or thread specifically on the list. It will be automatically added on the list. You just need to go to any particular list to see post about that particular topic, and you can pin this list on your home page. For example, let's pin this on law of self-control. If I pin this, it will be shown here on top of my homepage. This is similar, this is the same on mobile phones as well. I can quickly go to the specific list and see specific type of list. So yeah, in a nutshell, this is what list is and how you can use it. If you want to know about YouTube, you just go here and you'll see only posts and threads about YouTube. If you want to know about war, you can go here and only see post about wars, any updates related to wars. This one was created by Naval. So yeah, this is what list is, and this is how you can utilize list. You can get specific tweets from people that you don't even follow. You can find new people that have the same interest as you from the list and connect with them. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.